Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix wallpaper looking blurry. So in this device also you can see this wallpaper is looking blurry. So let me show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you need to use a high resolution image. Okay, and you need to avoid the screenshots as wallpaper also. And you need to crop the correctly before applying. For this, go to settings, wallpaper and style, change wallpaper. So this wallpaper is I selected from my gallery, this one. Tap on next, and here we can crop the image. We can adjust the image here. Okay, after this one, tap on done. The important thing is you need to use high resolution image. Blurry wallpaper are often caused by low quality image. So using HD or 4K wallpaper can improve the appearance significantly. So simply in this way we can fix the wallpaper looking blurry on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.